Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the FreeTec 22-piece heavy-duty disc brake caliper tool set. And with back kit for brake pad replacement. The brake piston reset tool set here comes with 22 pieces. That's a brake piston reset tool with a NUE VAG 3-pin adapter. It's a set for resetting the brake pistons for all standard vehicles. One spindle with the right-hand thread, one spindle with the left-hand thread. The spindle each with a magnet to hold the adapter. And it's everything inside what you need to make a clear brake piston reset. The FreeTec aims to providing professional and high-quality automotive diagnostic products and repair tools to help as customers make their cars, trucks, motorbikes, or ATVs in a peak condition. They have a wide range of automotive tools, including engine trimming tools, pullers, spring compressor, etc. They're suited for mechanic and enthusiast DIY. They are always really cool because that's a good tool for DIY projects. We have a lot of compatible piston reset kit components here. It's compatible with General Motors, Cadillac Seville, Eldorado, or we have Citroen, XM, Xantier and others, Alfa Romeo, Audi, Austin, BMW series, Ford, Honda, Jaguar, Mercedes-Benz, Mitsubishi, Colt, Nissan, Micra, Stanza, Sunny, Ranger Rover, Toyota Camry, VW, Passat, Golf, GTI, and Volvo. Alfa Romeo, Ford, Fiat, General Motors, Saturn, Grand Prix, Lumina, Honda, Prelude, XRS, Mazda, Zap, Subaru, and. It's compatible to Nissan and so many different kind of cars are compatible with that. So if you have this, I think you should handle this easy peasy. This service kit works with the most model vehicles. Of course, maybe there are one or two cars on the planet which is not compatible, but the most is really cool. We raise the vehicle and secure it safely. Remove the wheels and take the brake caliper. Remove the warm brake pads and small parts. We service the brake caliper according to the vehicle manufacturer's instruction, of course. Remove the T-handle off the pressure pin to the side and slide a plate over the T-handle and then the pressure pin down until it rests on the shoulders of the bottom of the pressure pin. We attach the correct washer to the two pegs on the underside of the pressure screw. The magnet will hold it in place. We screw the piston into the brake caliper according to the vehicle manufacturer's instruction, of course. We reassemble the brake caliper, the brake pads and wheels. Job's done. That it is. Of course, if you have an electronic parking brake system, you have first make a service service setting, and then you can push it, the piston back into position. That it is, easy peasy. This is the FreeTec heavy-duty disc brake caliper tool set and win-back kit for the brake pad replacement of nearly all cars out there, because it works very well with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.